Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can download and sign up on your Kik application on your mobile device. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Play Store on your Android device and iOS App Store. So basically on the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Kik. And once you have done that, simply go ahead and install this application right over here. It's gonna take some time to go ahead and download and install onto your phone. Have some patience. Once it's downloaded, it's gonna start installing onto your device. And finally, once it is installed, you wanna simply go ahead and tap on the open button. And now, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you're going to be on this page right over here where you want to tap on the sign up button on top, and over here you want to simply go ahead and enter your first name, and then go ahead and enter your last name, and then go ahead and enter your username that you want to have, and go ahead and enter your email right over here, and finally go ahead and enter your password. Once you have created a password, you will have to go ahead and enter your birth date right over here. Go ahead and do that. Once you have done that, tap on done, and now finally scroll all the way down and go ahead and enter your phone number right over here, and tap on this check mark right over here and tap on sign up. And now, as you can see, you're going to be on this page where you want to tap on not now, and I'm going to simply go ahead and do I'm sure. And as you can see, I have successfully signed up for my Kik account. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.